Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this hoe. Girl, this video today is sponsored The House. Thank you, Rich Lux. I stole that from you. From Forever Rose, New York. They have sent me a new pink bouquet. Well, hello. And I'm going to pull it out of this box. Oh my God, how many times she said that, girl. Yes. I got them out. Yes. Oh my God, they smell like a fresh bouquet of roses. The cool thing about Rose Forever New York, they say that these roses will last up to a year. I actually have a bouquet up there that I have had over a year, probably a year and a half so far. Still going strong, still look like the day I brought them out of the box. They are gorgeous. This time I decided to go with a domed set instead, and yes, so this box is reusable. Once these finally do die out on you, and it might take some years, girl, it's gonna take a while, but once they do, you can actually remove these out of the container, reuse it. These bouquets, usually when you go on the website, if you go check out their pricing, it is very, very good. A lot of times they're usually running like 50% off of what suggested retail is. I'm also going to give you my promo code, which you can use and get another $25 off today, girl. Yes, go check them out. Use my link, support them. They are supporting breast cancer awareness this month. Anytime you buy a pink bouquet, definitely know that part of that money is going to go benefit breast cancer awareness. So I couldn't say enough good. This is a company that I actually went out and asked if they would sponsor me, you know, and send me a bouquet when I first started doing, it's been almost 2 years now, but when I first started supporting them, I actually contacted them and said, hey, would you consider, and they were like, yeah, go ahead, sure, we'll send you something. So I am very proud to be sponsored with them. I am also proud to partner up with them. Anytime they ask, I always say yes, of course. I'll definitely talk about you guys because they do good work and they have beautiful, beautiful stuff. Check out their website, guys. You will not be sorry. I love this company. It is the month of love. Okay, it's actually not, but still, it is a good month to buy roses. Maybe you've got a birthday like me. Maybe you've got an anniversary. Maybe you just want to have some beautiful roses that last forever in your house. Hey guys, I'm back as promised. I have a collab, a mother effing collab video with my friend, my actual best friend in the world. Yota may say something different, but it's Autumn Beckman. Hey girl. Yes, girl, we are back together again. We did our last video together and we're such besties that we couldn't stay apart for even 3 or 4 days. So we're back. Actually, it didn't, I don't know how it happened, but this is how our schedules happened and how it all fell into place. And so yes, we have back-to-back collabs. At least my last video was a collab with her. I don't think hers was with me, maybe 2 videos ago. Anyhow, I'm getting sidetracked in all the details, girl. What's important to know is that we both bought the same bag. She alerted me to the sale on this bag and I was like, hell yes, I'll have it. We'll take 2. Actually, no, I already had 1 and she knew it and she wanted to try it. And so I am tickled to see how she receives this bag as well. Girl, yes. Okay, so it came from Bloomingdale's. Yes, as you can see, my Loyalist Points bag. It is a micro bag too, as you might have noticed from my thumbnail or from my description, which says Autumn Beckman collab on that micro bag, coach. Yes! Oh my God, girl, look, 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 look. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Ooh. Okay, check this out. It is the, what the heck? I can't hardly get in it. Okay. It is the little tiny Tabby 13. Is this the 13 or the 12? Yes, the soft Tabby in the, I think it's, is it called Camelback? Yes. Girl, okay, because y'all know I have it in the purple. She told me that it was on sale at Bloomingdale's for in the 140 something range, so I jumped on it. Because it retails for $195 from the Coach site. But when it went on sale, I was like, do I need another one? I don't need another one. Yes, I do need another one. Yes. If one's good, two's even better. That's always been my philosophy. You know, men, booze, whatever. I'm just kidding. Anyhow, girl. Look how friggin' cute. Oh my God. Yes. So you've seen me unbox this exact bag, girl. But this time we had to get it. I mean, this bag, you wouldn't think it holds a lot. It actually does. I just actually carried this the other day to a function, to a thing I had to go to. I had on purple slacks that matched it perfectly. So yeah, I took this and I got my key fob in there. I got some cards. I got some lippies, which I needed, some cash. Cinder effing Rella, what else do you need? I mean, hello, girl. Oh yeah, and speaking of Cinderella, I know this is not Cinderella's villain, but I have on my Cruella. Girl, what is she thinking today? Sorry, I meant my Ursula villain, yes, shirt that I ordered from Amazon. I will link it down below. I'll link this down below. I don't know if it's still on sale from Bloomingdale's because this has been a couple weeks ago. But girl, the leather on this is so friggin' soft. Okay, let me take it apart. I do love when things go on sale that I've already bought. But still, I didn't have this color and, you know, I did want it really bad. I vowed, you know, I did say that a couple weeks ago, didn't I? That I vowed to never buy another. I'll never buy something new from Coach again unless it's on sale. Okay, so, yeah. I did it with that, didn't I? Yeah, girl. But look how cute inside. Oh my God, it's even more precious than the other one. Let me take all the gunk out of here. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Yes. Oh, that leather smell. Yes. 50 Shades of what? I love it. I absolutely do love it. I love a bag in this color. I have a few bags in this color, like my little Loewe that's kind of, okay, this one's a little, but that tan, I have another Coach in this kind of, I love this camel brown color. I don't know, just, I don't know, this leather color just does something to me. I swear. Girl, I love, love, love. Okay, so let me do, since this is an Autumn Beckman collab, hello, am I a barbarian? I don't think so. Let's do the spin, girl. Yeah. You might have been wondering what I dropped. It was the strap-on. Strap-on, boom, boom, strap-on, do. We're never going to say strap-off because, no, it's always strap-on, girl. Oh, my goodness. Oh, yeah. This looks nice. And also, what I do with mine, my other one, well, you kind of know what I do with mine. But no, what I do with this bag is I use the little soft top handle that comes with it. I very rarely will crossbody it. I just love it as a little, hey, how you doing? You know, it's like a Elle Woods moment or something. It just is. Here it is. Your little tiny top handle strap on. Look how, oh my God, right? And it is gorgeous. I love this. I love it. I'm so glad that she told me about that. Sometimes she'll tell me about things and I really, really, really want to buy them. But yeah, I'm like, oh God, I can't. So Autumn, if you're watching this, don't stop telling me, girl, because there are sometimes when I'm like, yes, let's do it. And I'm very, very glad that we got this one together. Go on over and watch her video. I want to unbox a bonus for you. I got a bonus for you, girl. Here it is. It is a Coach Outlet Villain bag that I got when they dropped. Kevin, please forgive me, because if you watch Kevin, he did a review of the Villain Coach Outlet drop, and he was like, if I had one bag that I just didn't love, it's this one, and he did not love this one. But I have since shown him a private video, and then I sent him another video after the private video of this bag, actually in detail. You're welcome, Kevin. You owe me a video back, guys. Just saying. Okay, but the thing that I loved about this, now this is the phone crossbody in the Ursula Villain. I did stop into a couple of Coach outlets this last week or so, and they didn't have this. And I asked a couple of the salespeople, and they were like, you know, we didn't get those for some reason. They're online, but we didn't get them. So if this one's still available, I will link it. It was down to this or the Rowan, and I felt like, you know what? When I get a Rowan, I love the look of a Rowan because it looks like a Speedy to me. I love it. Love the look of it, but carrying it, she won't. I don't know what stops me. I just don't know. So this, I thought, yes, I will do, because it is, you know, a crossbody, which I like. It's kind of a micro bag to me. It is in the north-south way detail. I don't know what you would say. Anyway, that's the way this one goes. It's, you know, longer, not wider. And girl, we need some girth, but we also need length, girl. If I know anything. Kevin, you with me? Okay. So, yeah, I got this one, and I thought, because, you know, I have been wearing all of my Halloween t-shirts because it is the ramp up to Halloween, and god dog it, I love Halloween. I've told you a million times. But anyhow, yeah, I just thought, oh yeah, she's matching. Boom, boom, boom. But the detail on this that you don't see when you look at it online is the eyes glitter. Yes, girl. Very shiny and glittery. And then the mouth, and then her necklace and her earring. So that's really glitterati. Can you see it? Isn't it cool? Oh my god, I love it. And this blue, it's like a pale blue. It's just really, really cute. And I was telling Kevin, like, we had a whole conversation about it, and I was like, you know, I really do, I don't know, when I watch a movie, I'm kind of partial to the villains. I don't know why. Are you guys that way too? I know you shouldn't be, but I kind of feel their plight too. Like, I'm like, yeah, I'm down with them. And sometimes I really identify with one, and I just feel like, you know, we've got short hair. She's got a lot of style. You can tell she loves a good handbag. She's, you know, a little healthier. Me too. We got a couple chins. It's all good. I feel like she and I, you know, sisters, right? Sisters from other misters. I'm telling you. So anyway, I just thought this was really great. There was no other villain that I would have gotten. I love her. So I wanted to throw this unboxing in there as well, because why not, girl? I'm wearing this shirt, right? Yes. So do me a favor, go over, check out Autumn's channel. Go check her video out. I know y'all know who Autumn is. Go check out her video and watch her unboxing of the little tiny baby Coach Tabby 13. Oh, she's so soft and luscious. I do love this bag. And do me a favor too, hit that subscribe, hit the like, comment down below. I always want to hear what you have to say, good, bad, or indifferent. Let me know, girl. And also, if you'll do me another favor, please, if y'all see my husband though, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Guys, not much of an ending story today, but I do want to see if you guys noticed anything new and different about me. Yes, girl, I got me some new glasses on, and they might look familiar. They might be another best friend. Might have bought these first, and I just had to have them because I want to be exactly like her. Okay, it's getting a little weird, but They're Winnie's. When she got these, I was like, oh, I have to have those. Finally, my lens crafters got them. This year, I got them too. So now I'm twinning with Winnie. Oh my God, I've always wanted to say that. I've always wanted to be that. Thank you, Winnie. Glasses twins, Winnie. Biatch.